In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover your OneDrive password. We all know how frustrating it can be to forget a password, especially for a service as critical as OneDrive, where you might store your important documents and cherished photos. But don't worry, because recovering your password is a straightforward process, and I'll walk you through it step by step. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to the OneDrive login page. Once you're there, you'll notice the password entry field. Just below, you will see a link that says, Forgot Password. Click on this link, and it will direct you to the password recovery page. Now, enter the email address associated with your OneDrive account. This is important because the recovery options will be sent to this email address. After entering your email, look for the Next button and click on it to proceed. At this point, Microsoft will require you to verify your identity to ensure that it's really you trying to access the account. This step is crucial for your security. You should receive a verification code at your email address or to a phone number linked with your Microsoft account. Check your email or messages for this code. Once you have the verification code, return to the recovery page and carefully enter it in the designated field. Make sure you enter it exactly as shown, as it is case sensitive. After entering the code, continue by clicking the Next button. On the following page, you'll have the opportunity to set a new password for your account. Here, it's a good idea to create a strong, memorable password. A strong password typically consists of a mixture of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using easily guessed words or phrases. Once you've decided on a new password, enter it and confirm it by typing it again in the field provided. Finally, click the Next button to complete the process. If everything has been done correctly, you should receive a confirmation that your password has been successfully reset. You can now return to the OneDrive login page and sign in with your new password. As a quick tip, consider using a password manager to safely store your passwords. This can prevent future issues with forgotten passwords and ensure that your credentials are both secure and easily accessible when you need them. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to recover your OneDrive password. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.